Assalamualaikum, grade 5. Hope so that you all are fine, my dear shining stars, and hopefully that you are getting each and every work and you are learning your work properly, and you are writing also on your notebooks with neat and clean writing. Wish you a very good morning to all of you. First of all, my dear class, we are going to do work about suffixes. Suffixes are the words, it can be the letters that come at the end of the words. And for example, critic is a word, but when we add ism, it means criticism. So criticism has totally changed the meaning. Absenteeism, organism, terrorism, plagiarism, realism, and magnetism. So what is the suffixes that we are going to read about? ism. So we will put at the end of the words to change their meanings. It's called suffixes. Now let's move to the topic Michael Phelps. And what's our topic today? Suffixes. You have to learn and write the definition of suffixes on your notebook. Now let's start the letters that we put at the end of the word. It change their meaning, and what we call these letters? Suffixes. What we call them? Suffixes. After my class, the next step, when you write the definition of suffixes on your notebook, what you will do later, then on the next step you will write all this table on your notebook. Criticism means the act of committing or finding fault. Absenteeism, the practice of not being present. Organism, a living thing with independent organ that functions together as a whole. Terrorism, the use of violence to gain submission. Plagiarism, the act of taking others' ideas or words as one's own. It means that to copy the other work. Realism, showing things as they really are. Magnetism, the power of attract. So first you will write definition of suffixes on notebook, then you will write this table on your notebook. You have to learn them properly. What is the meaning of this noun? After, my dear class, you have to complete these fill in the blanks, page number 120. I am going to read. Fill in the blanks with the correct nouns from the table above. The first is, okay, my dear class, the first is we should not promote dash which causes fear and harm to others. Here they are using the word of fear and harm, and look at when we use violence, it means that we are fearing someone. So terrorism, which word we will write here? Terrorism. Gravity keep us on the ground, it is like dash from within the earth. So gravity is a force and that force keep us on earth. So it means it attract, it has some power. So the power to attract is called magnetism. So we write here magnetism. Number 3, you cannot copy Linda's paragraph. You can be charged for dash. Here I told you that whenever we are going to copy others person work, it means plagiarism. Plagiarism means to copy the other work. So we will write here plagiarism. Number 4, the principal became worried about dash when a lot of students did not turn up for class yesterday. It means that there are many students who are absent from the school and the principal is very worried. So what we write here? Absenteeism. The microscope allows us to see the anatomy of a dust mite, which is a tiny dash. It means organism. Look at a living thing, and we put here organism. You have to learn these fill in the blanks. You have to write the definition of suffixes and this table on your notebook. Your diary for today is learn and write book page number 120, table on notebook. Have a nice day.